gonna change how I win tonight. Tonight. Why? Kiss, bye. Nothing gonna change how I win tonight. Tonight.
Chat, what's good, man? How we doing? Welcome back. Yo, what's good, chat? What's good? Oh shit, let me turn my camera on. Important. It's very important. Shit, wait. Alright, we should be good. Yo. Chat, what is good, man? How's everyone doing? How are we doing today? What's good? Yo. Yeah, what's good, Kata? What's good? Victory Settings, Crypto Maniac, Malinko, Eugene. Shit, man, everyone's here. What's good? So, chat. Big day today, man. Time gone back 15 minutes in London? Nah. Maybe. What's good, Gandhi? Michael, what's good? Chat, how are we all doing? Bye. I don't know, maybe. Yeah, buys actually don't look too bad. What's good, Jay? Chat, hopefully you're all having a good day. Hopefully you had a good day yesterday as well. Yeah, man, it should be... Oh, yeah, shit. Kata, happy birthday, bro. Insane. Happy birthday, man. You're 30, right? You're wearing the same shirt? No, you'll notice yesterday's one was grey. This one's brown. So different colors, i.e. different shirt. Yeah, happy birthday, Kata. Bro, if I wasn't too tired, I'd get the happy birthday out, but I can't sing that right now. Yeah, man. Listen, it's gonna be a good day, chat. It's gonna be a good day. Super excited for it. But let's do the analysis real quick, and then we'll get moving. They're not the same color. Firstly, the weeklies. Essentially, the weekly yesterday came down and made a bottom wick, and then reflipped. Now you sort of got the daily today, which pushed up first, kind of made a big top wick, is now reflipped as well. So realistically, you're in the middle of nowhere at the minute. And I think, to be honest, the 4 hour as well, you did come down and make a bottom wick for the previous 4 hour, but the previous 4 hour closed no top wick, no bottom wick. So very interesting candle to say the least. You got an hour till that closes. But on the hourly time frame, I think, to be honest, you're just in a range here. Just still in this range between 26.25.1 and 26.31, around there. I mean, realistically, actually, yeah, that makes the most sense. And then, yeah, once you do close above that area, you've got room to come up till 26.31. You have grabbed a lot of liquidity here with the bottom wick. So realistically, if you can push up and close above, buys look very nice. And then, yeah, otherwise, if you do close below 26.25, you could potentially take sells to come down and fill into 26.18. Yeah, especially after you break this daily low, you would be good to drive there. So again, very clean analysis, right? Essentially, we always have these 4 lines, right? You got your target area, you got your breakout area, and you got your initial range, right? And that's literally all we're looking for right now. All we're looking for is a breakout of this initial range. Once we do get that, we're good to go, right? We're good to go. I just want to see some nice closures, see some good setups. Yesterday we took a dub in London, which was pretty clean. And yeah, let's see what happens, chat. But hopefully you guys are all good. If you did enjoy the analysis, make sure you drop a like and subscribe if you're new. And otherwise, let's get cooking, man. Let's get cooking. We're coming up to we're actually coming up very quickly on 5k. We're up to nearly 4.5k right now. And yeah, we're growing super fast, man. Especially once I start releasing this new type of content, I think we're gonna explode. But yeah, chat, how was everyone's day yesterday? Did anyone catch any more wins after stream? What did you catch? What did you catch? Swept Asian lows? Yeah, it did, yeah. You're right. Pretty clean. It's pretty clean, I'm not gonna lie. Alright, cool, chat. So listen, yeah, perfect. Did you catch anything in NY? Yeah, we caught some buyers. We closed at like 22 pips. They were pretty nice. Pretty nice. But now, yeah, I just want to see us close above this area here. You're only like 20 pips away, 30 pips away. closing above. Took five days off to reset the mind, back and ready to grind. Hey, let's go, Gonli, good stuff. Yeah, that sounds like a good decision, bro. You're back, focused up, it's important, good stuff. Got a paper win today, anticipated it would go down even though everything was bullish and it did. Hey, nice, bro. Try and sample size that somehow. I'm not gonna lie, I'm fucking tired. I had calls last night until about 2 AM. Genuinely 2 AM. I got like 4 hours sleep. But what's your bias, bro? What's good fluidity? The bias is bullish, obviously. I do think at some point very shortly we'll start to retrace. Whether that's today or not, I'm not sure. But you know, you gotta go with the trend until proven guilty, right? And yeah, I guess we haven't been proven guilty yet, so. I think, to be honest, yeah, soon you will see a retrace. Once you start to break these lows down here at 2660 and close below, you'll sort of see a retracement down. But until then, you can't really be anything but bullish. If that makes sense. I'm excited though, chat. I think it's going to be a great day today. I think you got a lot of potential. Do you have news? Forex Factory. Yeah, you got consumer confidence news later today, chat, at 3 o'clock. Okay, interesting. So obviously we'll be on stream for that, New York. But until then, obviously no news. But the important thing is, we're going to wait for clean setups. And we're going to have a full New York session without any news, which is nice. Until 3 o'clock, right? So we get full, I don't know, a couple of hours of uninterrupted trading. But yeah, chat, listen. Stay disciplined. Still only Tuesday, right? I don't want anyone forcing any setups right now. Especially if we're in this range, right? Whilst you're in this range, it's a little bit unpredictable. You got sort of levels here. 26.29. Another one up here, 26.31. You know, you can't really be taking any positions just yet until we close outside this range, in my opinion. 6 sells at 26.37. Would you still be holding if I were you? No. I probably would have closed for it. Depends what your strategy was, or what your, you know, what your reasoning behind it was. But what I would have done is probably closed full here when it hit this resistance and closed no bottom wick. I don't think it's, I don't know, in all likelihood it's either going to continue to range here, right? And you can either close at the bottom of the range, or, you know, close partials there, or it's going to push up. I don't know if it's going to rip down here. Again, I could be wrong, but yeah, we'll see. Lovely stuff. Lovely stuff, chat. Listen, I think, to be honest, I think it's going to be an interesting day. I think you need to be careful when we break all-time highs at the minute. Like, what I've noticed as well is we seem to, whenever we break all-time highs, instead of pushing, we actually just retrace now. Like, we did it here, we just initially retraced. Did it here, we retraced. Did it here, we retraced straight away. So it's almost like where before we would have just continued to rip up. Every time we break all-time highs now, we seem to be like dipping back down. So I think the main thing is just be cautious. Don't just buy because we're at all-time highs. You know, it doesn't necessarily mean that. I would say, yeah, you want to be still focused, still executing your plan, and still waiting for perfect setups. What's good, JD? How's it going, bro? Good, what's good? Right, you're pushing up here, though, which is nice. So you got a 5-minute close. I know the 5 minute did just close, sorry. Closed no top wick, but you are starting to push up here. You got the 1 hour close coming in about 3 minutes and 20 seconds. Again, until we're above 26, 29, there's not much I could do here. Realistically, you might be able to... No, that's a bit of a squeeze. You probably want to wait for a closure above 26.31. Um, yeah, if you were going to grab something, realistically, wait until you're above there would be ideal. Otherwise, maybe we can get some range plays if you come down to the back towards the bottom of the range. But yeah, until then, not much we can do. Actually, well, there's 15 pushed up without a bottom wick. I didn't even see that. Very interesting. So at some point, I would say you probably need to come back and grab that bottom wick at 26.25. But yeah, we'll see. That could be the next 1 hour bottom wick. Chat, has anyone ever traded like the other gold pairs, like gold euro or gold GBP or gold yen? I'm interested. Interested to know what you guys think. I don't know anyone who's ever traded them, to be honest. I don't know why people would. I guess like if you knew a lot more about the pound, then maybe. But I don't know. It's definitely worth taking a look at, right? Because if you can trade one gold pair, most likely you can trade like all of them, I guess. I traded gold GDP when I first started trading, but then moved to USD. Yeah, fair enough. I mean, I guess as well you have like GBP news and shit, which is going to affect that differently. So it would be something that you'd have to learn, but I think it might be worth looking at. Good Ranko, good morning, bro. Alright, chat, 1 minute to the 1 hour close here. Lock it in. Nah, but in all seriousness, realistically, we're probably gonna have to wait for the next like 15-minute closure after this, at least. Need to see something closing above 26.31, right? Because at the minute we're just right out of resistance. You're struggling here as well. That's volatile. Ah, makes sense. All good, G. What's good? I'm chilling, bro. Thank you. I'm chilling, man. Yeah, chat. Can we get to 50 likes on today's stream? Appreciate it very much. 27 seconds, yeah. But you are, look at the amount of liquidity you've grabbed, right? Realistically, I do expect us to push up here. If you don't break through this wait, there's no way there's a gold czar. Yeah, I'll check after this hourly closure. Yeah, if you don't push through this resistance now, even after you grab so much liquidity, I don't really know what to expect, if I'm honest. Like, you realistically should be able to push up here. Otherwise, why did you grab this much liquidity? Like, what was the reason for that? I don't know. That was good, Nell. How's it going, man? XAUUSD. Gold Sith African Rend. Yeah, crazy. Most gappy thing on the market. What the fuck? No liquidity. Yeah, interesting. Alright, cool. Bottom wick first as well on the 1 hour. That's kind of clean. Doesn't mean anything though, chat. We're just in the range still. Just in the range still. You did technically close above this minor level. But my most important thing right now is that you're really rejecting off this area here at 26.29. And one thing we could look at is if you do come down and retest 26.25, we could look at taking some buys to refill the top of the range. But until you get to that point, there's nothing really. Yeah, man. Whoa, this coffee's so hot. Okay, cool. Cool. What news do we have for the rest of the week? I swear... Hang on, let's see. So Wednesday you have nothing really apart from crude oil, which used to be a red folder but is now orange for some reason. Thursday you have unemployment claims, final GDP, and then Powell does a speech. Friday you got CPI, so... We should have a good end to the week, if I'm honest. We should have a decent end to the week. Yeah, the 1 hour flipped here, chat. Wow, okay. Interesting. So you should see a drive here. If you don't, I don't know what to say. Closure above 23.29 could be an ideal way to take, but yeah. I mean, yeah, we could take that. You're not wrong. You gotta remember also we do have a 4 hour close very shortly in about 57 minutes. So you want to see that 4 hour above 29, yeah, minimum. Realistically, if it can be above 63, then sorry, 26.32, then that's okay. Or that'd be brilliant, sorry. But yeah, as a minimum, you need to see it to close above 26.29. The reason why we're struggling as well is these are both 4 hour levels as well as 1 hour levels, right? 26.29 and 26.30, both 4 hour levels too. But yeah, we're just in the range here, chat. You see how we grabbed some liquidity and then didn't even push up? Interesting. Had a meeting at work today, literally 2 more full weeks left, and then we part-time for the winter. Let's go. Out of the whole October, I'm working 10 days, lock-in central. Hey, let's go, crypto. You better be locked in London and New York session, bro. Good shit. That's huge though, man. Would like a bottom wick on the 1 hour down to 26.26? Yeah. Oh. Bro, I'm yawning so much, it's crazy. I'd rather see it, I want to see it at least to 26.25, to be honest. I want to see it get this bottom wick. Like, you know, come down, make a bottom wick for that, and then continue up. That'd be nice. But yeah, I mean, realistically, I'm not sure if you see that. Good, Charlie. How you doing, bro? Alright, nice. Chat, I spent over £1,200 this week on new camera equipment, right? So quality is gonna just level up. I'm not gonna lie, the quality is gonna be sick. I'm excited. I'm excited, man. Yeah, so what do you guys want to see in terms of like vlogs and shit? I got a lot of stuff coming, but if you guys only have any suggestions, I'm open to them. Throughout these like vlog style contents, you want to see me doing anything different? You want to see like gym workouts? You want to see what I'm eating? You want to see what work I'm doing? Whatever it is, man. I'm gonna try and provide a full overview, if I'm honest. I guess just like an insight into my life, right? 24-hour live stream challenge? Nah, maybe. Bro, that's funny. Fuck that. That was way too tiring. Bits and bobs? Yeah, alright. Gym and diet stuff, not gonna lie. Alright, I'll definitely sprinkle it in. The gym content doesn't seem to do as well. But I'll definitely sprinkle some stuff in. Live stream of Eugene's ADHD brain. Yeah, trust me. Okay, cool. Pushing up though, chat. So you keep breaking, or maybe not, but you keep trying to break this high here. Which makes me think that I think we should continue here. Proper day in the life, morning at the charts, gym, shopping, business, and running. Yeah, bro. That's what I've got one that's already recorded right now. It's being edited. Thing is, I can't run at the minute. I've absolutely fucked my foot up. I'm not gonna lie. My foot is in serious damage after I ran that 15k. I'm gonna rehabilitate it for a little bit, but then yeah, then I'll get back to the running content. But yeah, that was not a smart idea to jump straight into a 15k. I'm not gonna lie. I was like, yeah, you know what, I can just do it. It's fine. And I did it, obviously, and your body is naturally able to hold out whilst you're actually in the moment. You know, the adrenaline or whatever it is, your body's able to hold out. But then The moment you finish, everything just seizes up and you're like, oh shit, I'm in danger here. Hey, what's good, Atomic Habit? Good morning, man. 15 kilometers without break. Yeah, that's what a 15k run is. Andrea, hello, first time watching. What strategy are you using? I use price action, breakouts, and support and resistance. So we have like a combination of our own strategy. I do have a free sort of playlist which tells you the exact strategy, or I guess like an overview of the strategy, like a free YouTube course. If you want to see it, it's just there in the link in the chat. But yeah, until you watch that, you pretty much just pull up to the streams and you'll pick up quite quickly. It's a very easy, a very simple strategy, to be honest. But welcome to the streams anyway, and thank you for joining us. Exclamation mark OF is crazy. Chat, so you got a 5-minute closure here in 2 minutes time. Again, you're sort of, this is holding a very strong level here. But you are, you know, continuing up a little bit. I mean, you technically are just, market structure is a combination of just ranging right now, and I guess somewhat bullish, but nothing too crazy. You got no real direction here. We need to wait. I'm still feeling it at my quads, and that was a Sunday at 10k. 15k is painful. Bro, yeah. I mean, my muscles are fine, but it's like my actual, like, I guess ligaments and shit is bad. What's good though, Remy? Yeah, that 10k you ran was fast, bro. That was quick. I don't think I could run a 10k that quick. Trading gold only? Yeah, only gold. Only gold. It's most beneficial in my opinion to just trade one pair. Am I slipped something? What? Pause. 15 kilometers a minimum for me now. That's different level, bro. Different level. Cool. What's good, Omar? How you doing, brother? All I did was 3 kilometers up the hill to the top of the mountain, running when I was 10 years old every day till I'm 14. Yeah, running up a mountain is different, bro. That's crazy. That's crazy, bro. Okay, look, 5 minutes closing here. You're closing, I guess, just respecting the level, right? You do want to see a sort of continuation, some more, you know, nice closures. At the minute as well, we've got no volume really, which means obviously you're not going to break out of any structure here. You're just going to sort of range. You need this volume to kick in. Realistically, you're going to see that at like 9:30, maybe 10. But that's when that volume should start to kick in. So like 10-20 minutes. Otherwise, chat, if there's no volume here, you can't really take anything, right? Remember, you need 3 things before you take a position: direction, liquidity, volume. If we don't have that, then can't take anything. How I mate. Hey, what's good, Scott? You got a clip account now. Crazy. Looks good, man. Hey, Louis as well. What's good? Good morning. Good morning. You need to increase your lactate threshold. Yeah. I'm trying, man. Goggins runs 15Ks before he gets out of bed. Yeah, trust me. I found an entry early this morning, sold at 26.37. Nice, bro. Good stuff. Yeah, a couple of people sold there. Probably off the no top wick, right? Not bad. Didn't mean to be on that account. Hey, you're chilling, bro. I like that. That's good. That's cool, though. Definitely cool, man. Yeah, look. Yeah, the no top wick. Yeah, I thought so. That was a clean entry. Don't get me wrong. But yeah, you're starting to retrace a little bit, chat. I'm just wondering whether we're going to continue to range for the whole session. I don't think so. I think once you get some volume, you might be okay. Again, you have started to grab liquidity here. You started to make some moves. You got a 15-minute close here too in 2 minutes. But realistically, I can't really take anything here based off that 15-minute close, right? You need to see at least some more direction. At least. Otherwise, yeah, I mean, we can wait here. Don't get me wrong, we're gonna stay patient. But yeah, I had like the Amazon guy like turn up to my house like 10 times yesterday, bro. So much camera stuff. Alright. The 1 hour is sort of stuck in a bit of purgatory here. Like, it just seems very difficult. It seems like a very difficult situation we're in here. Well, the good thing is about that is that means that once you do decide to break out here, you will actually, you know, get a significant move, which is obviously what you want, right? The longer you range, normally the longer, or sorry, the harder it moves, you know, the more strength the push has once it does break out. But chat, let's get to 50 likes on today's stream. I appreciate everyone for pulling up. If you are new, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Make sure you, you know, like we said, we've got a lot of interesting content coming soon. A lot of, to be honest, really next level content. So if you haven't subscribed already, make sure you do that. And yeah, drop a like as well, man. And join the Discord. Noodle Host is right. Join that Discord. Yeah, I want to try to get to 2K members in the Discord because we need to keep that shit, you know, keep that shit active. It's such a good community, but obviously the more people, the more active it can get, and the more you can help each other out. Okay, 15-minute closing here. 50 seconds. The Discord is free, by the way, no charges. Indeed. Do you guys have any running tips? I can run like 2K at a great pace, but afterwards I feel like I'm gonna die. Bro, just run at a slow as fuck pace. Run's way slower than you think you need, to, right? Run at conversation. If you got a watch like this or whatever, run at zone 2. But otherwise, just run at a conversational pace, which means that you could literally be having a conversation with someone whilst you're running. You shouldn't really be out of breath. If you're doing like a long run, if you're trying to run like a 5, 10K or whatever, you shouldn't really be out of breath. You should just, especially when you're starting off, right? You can get the pace later, but once you're trying to get that distance, just run super fucking slow. Even if it's like 7 minutes a kilometer or whatever it is. Doesn't matter. But yeah, chat, that's good. So the 15-minute close here. You got a top wick first. You might see a continuation down as well, chat. But again, not really anything I can take here. Way too choppy in this range right now, especially on the 15. I think, yeah, I think as long as the volume sort of starts to pick up here, like we've just seen. I mean, you are seeing a little bit of an increase in volume right now. If it can continue to pick up here, you should be good. And you should get some positions. Otherwise, chat, it might have to be New York, but if it is, so be it. But no, I think we should be able to grab something here today. I think there's a lot of potential for London session. I'll definitely stay on until like at least 10:30. Otherwise, yeah, we'll wait, but no, there's a lot. That was good, Dishan. Create a plan including easy runs, long runs, and speed runs. Yeah, that is a good one, actually. One of my boys sent me like his 10K scaling plan or whatever, so I've just been using that. But yeah, you have to do like interval work too. It's so funny how so many people are getting into running now. I mean, including myself, right? I'm definitely like a casual runner, I guess, but it's funny how things become like trendy. Like run clubs and shit, or like all that stuff just become one massive trend. Boys, the IRS took my cheeks, had to pay up to them. Bro, that's tough. That's tough, man. You gotta run from the tax, man. I'm joking. Pay your taxes. Or don't. Really afraid of fucking my knee up. Yeah, just make sure you do stretches, do mobility work, and don't push it too hard. You'll be chilling there. It'll actually probably help your knee in the long run if you do it properly. Get some good shoes as well. IRS are neeks. Yeah, you should have told him that. Just go, oh, you're a neek, bro. Alright, chat, but listen, the 15 flips, trying to reflip here. Hey, what's good, Jar? How you doing, brother? I'm trying to figure out why there's no volume right now. This is just London being London, right? Yeah, I guess it's just London being London. See what we do here, though. Five minutes starting to push down. Yeah, man. Remember, chat, also, you got the 4-hour close, right, in 40 minutes time. So, at the end of the day, might be best waiting for that, if I'm honest. Might be best. But, again, if we do get something on this 30, which at the minute is, like, a little bit unlikely, then we'll take it, obviously. But, yeah, until then, it's just worth waiting. Should we just fool the Telegram real quick? Let's just get the Telegram involved. Yeah. Soon we'll have an influx of people in here. Bro, it's super mad how that works. I swear to God, every time this little tool's on the screen. Every single time, bro. Told them not to fall for it, wait for my call. Nah. No shot, bro. No shot. I reckon it plays out here, chat. How many pips am I up? 1 million, bro. 1 million pips. First item trading eurjpy entered on yesterday's daily bottom. Hey, nice, bro. Congrats. Congrats. Chat, we're only 10 likes off 50 likes, man. If you haven't liked, I'm coming to find you and hunt you down. Make sure we get to 50 likes, chat. I really, really do appreciate it. At least we got no buy or sell douchebags in here. Nah, 100% you're right, bro. 100%. No, trust me, I'd definitely rather have like 80 of you guys. Just like good community, good active, you know, asking good questions than like 300 buy and sell people, you know. Definitely quality over quantity. I mean, we technically have both most of the time. Let me just take trades taken off the stream record. I'm a humble trader. I'll take it off. There you are. All right, chat. You're pushing up here, which is interesting. Starting to push up a little bit. When we trade SG. Ah, yeah, classic. Now, right now, go. Yeah, for real. Brackets, buy or sell, sir. Very easy. When buy. Insane. Ah. I got the most suspect tripod in the world as well. Look at this. That's the most sus tripod I've ever seen ever. Yeah, SG, what animal are you scared of? I don't know, bro. Many, I guess. When will you take a position? That one kills me. Yeah, trust me. It's funny as fuck. That is not a tripod. Where's that been? I know, bro. It's crazy. They're actually sick tripods, though. I can't lie. They're actually so good. Like, you can put them wherever. Pause. 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 That's not what I mean. No, I mean, what's good, Amos? Took some buys, TP. Alright, bro. Good luck. What do you mean by that? Yeah, trust me. Put them wherever is crazy. Gorilla Pod are the way to go. Yeah, they actually are quite good. I can't lie. Actually, are quite good. I've now got 3 tripods. I don't know why. Go to the 5, and I had a sell from 23.86.8. I wait for the next candle to open, and since it opened with no top wick, I closed it, but it ran with no top wick. No regrets though. Yeah, good stuff, bro. I mean, you had a sell from 23.86.8. Yeah, up here, right? Yeah, I mean, listen, it's it was realistically sells. I guess they played out right, but you were at all-time high still at this point. I wouldn't be looking to sell that if it was me. So I don't think you did anything wrong by managing a bit more aggressively. I don't think that's a problem. Yeah, I don't think that's a problem, bro. I want to see how today's candle closes because on the 4-hour, 1-hour, I'm very bullish and I don't want to call tops and bottoms until the market gives me a clear indication that it wants to sell. Yeah, I don't think we have any indication that we want to sell off here yet. I mean, realistically, I probably won't be looking for proper sells. In scalp sells, yeah, maybe you can take some once you close below here to break this daily low. But until we break below like 26.18, 26.16, I'm not going to take any like major sells, right? But you do have clean traffic once you get below there. So you could take something after that. And that would be a significant break in market structure too. Because you'd essentially have, all your highs being made, etc, etc, etc. And then if you did come down, you would have broken all these lows here, sorry. That'd be a clean lower low. And then once you do get a lower high like that, your sells are very good to come down. Obviously, there's a lot that needs to be printed for that to happen. Good loan trader. Really testing our patience? Yeah, trust me. Trust me, you just gotta wait here. Patient traders, right? Patience pays. It's actually so true. Yesterday, we waited all day for our position, right? Like, we waited so long for our trade, and it paid off, Like, the moment we got the trade, we executed, and we took our cash. What's your trading time usually? So, we stream between between 8:30 UK time to around like 11 o'clock UK time for London session, and then for New York session as well, we stream at 1 PM UK time. So in like what, 4 hours? No, 3 and a bit hours. And we stream until like 3 o'clock. So realistically, any time between then, we get a lot of trades at like 10 o'clock in the morning. We also get a lot of trades at like 2 PM UK time. There's a lot really. 3 PM, etc, etc. Yeah, it's a risky sell at all-time high, but the way the 15 respected previous high, I was 90% sure that it was going to drop way more. Yeah, listen, it's honestly not a yeah, I think it's not a bad play. It's definitely an aggressive play, don't get me wrong, but not too bad, man. Yeah. Chat, 30-minute closes here in 4 minutes. So, I mean, you've got some volume coming in, which is great. We might have a bearish candle close. We might have a strong closure here, which would be nice. Don't get me wrong, that'd be very, very nice. Hopefully we can see somewhat of a directional close, right? Not just barcoding like this. Really not what you want, but again, you've got 3 minutes to that 30-minute close, so that's going to at least tell us some more information. If it's not a position, it will at least tell us more about, the market. Definitely, I feel like we're about to try and set something up here. Maybe off the 4-hour close, we're going to try and like make a breakout, or I don't know. Nice Bry. Bro, I'm going to be in Cape Town very shortly. For all you South Africans, right? Sometime maybe November-ish, I'll be there. Maybe December, I don't know, but Someone's got to show me around. I got a few apartments to go look at and everything. For vacay, I'm looking to move there, bro. It's one of my options. So I'll definitely be checking out some apartments, etc. You look at DXY or any other basket? I don't look at DXY, no. A lot of people in our group use DXY as a confluence, but for me, I'm not the biggest fan of doing that. Why not Joburg, bro? I've just heard better things about Cape Town. Real, that's nice. Yeah, man, I've got some nice apartments lined up, bro. Like, I don't know. I've got a few. But I don't know if I'm overspending on them or not. I don't know. We'll see. I'll show you some later. Once we're towards the end of the stream, we can look at some apartments together. Hey, buenos dias. What's good, La Leche? What's good, man? How are you doing? Yeah, pushing down here. You're coming back to grab this bottom wick, I think. Realistically, I think you should grab a bottom wick here for the 25 candle. Speaking of South Africa, where's Sir Yannick? He's doing some work for me. He's busy, man. I would recommend getting a furnished one, though. Yeah, of course, of course, of course. I'm not going to take furniture over there or buy any. Fuck that. I've been looking at the nice, like some nice areas though, I can't lie. Like Green Point, Sea Point. I think I looked at Clifton. Where else? Fresnay. Some shit like that. Started looking at US bonds with a 10-year yield. Yeah, you gonna buy some? Morningside or Santon is dope too. Is it? I've never heard of those. But yeah, listen, chat. 30 minutes closing here. You did start to reject just now, but 30 minutes closing bearish by the looks of it, unless we flip up last minute. Wow, chat. This is barcode central. What's the analysis? The analysis is we're in a range at the minute, and then after that range, I mean, we'll wait for a breakout and follow the direction, right? But yeah, not much I can do here. Wait, I'll show you. What's it price wise per month? Let me show you. Let me show you the apartment I've been looking at. This is one of the ones I want to move to. Wait, is this one of them? Yeah. How long do you trade? I don't know. Each trade's probably like between 5 minutes to an hour. I don't know. It varies. Bro, this is one of them, right? It's like right on the seafront. Fucking gorgeous, bro. This one's unfurnished though, which is a bit tough. I swear it was furnished at some. Oh yeah. Like there was furnished photos. I have to leak the address, bro. I'm not gonna move here just yet. This shit's gorgeous. I think that's like bro, look at it. Fat TV on the wall here. To answer your question, Scott, it's pretty cheap. Like that one's like 2 bedrooms. It's like 1.8k pounds a month. You can definitely get stuff a lot cheaper, don't get me wrong, but that one's like right on the seafront, you know. Yeah. Where them furniture's at? Yeah, I know. I think that one actually is unfurnished, which I didn't realize until just this second. So maybe I won't be going there, but it looked like it was furnished when I looked at it. You'll be amazed when you get here how cheap everything is. What's your execution time frame? Execution time frame is 30 minutes most likely, or the 1 hour, or the 4 hour. It depends, bro. It depends on what the setup's on. Sometimes it's the 15, sometimes it's the 30, sometimes 1, sometimes 4. Need somewhere with a decent view? Yeah, I know, but everywhere's got a nice view, to be fair. Like, if I want to live in the city, you just live in like a high rise. And if you want to live outside, I'll just go to the mountains and live in some crazy house with a pool there. Like, that's even cheaper, bro. You've been to SA before? No, that's why I'm going to go check it out first, because obviously I'm not just going to move there without, like, just, you know, randomly, without going there, so, yeah. What's good, Matt? How many years of trading? I'd say around 3 to 4. It's actually insane because that's a decent to average neighborhood in the UK, but that gets you top quality in SA. I know, bro. Bro's being quizzed this morning. Bro, trust me. I was gonna say. I swear I'm being interrogated on everything to do with my strategy. I swear, bro. Nah, it's all good though. People just want to like understand whether they can trust me or not, or whether they can. I guess whether they want to follow, which is fair. If you ever need a roommate, I'm here. Bro, that'd actually be sick. I can't lie. Not sure my not sure my girl would be too happy if some of the fellas just showed up. That'd be hilarious, bro. I'd be down there. I can't lie. A trading house with bank, bro. I've been thinking about that. I can't lie. Like a big trading compound. Nah, that's not sus. I respect that. Okay, chat. Wow, you're pushing back up here on the 30-minute. So you realistically might just end up barcoding here, which is not a problem, I guess, but it's just very interesting. But yeah, we'll see what we do. Again, like, until we're out of this range, there's literally not much we can do other than talk about apartments, I guess. But no, trust me, there's some really fucking nice one. Clifton's great, but Clifton is actually quite expensive. I'm not gonna lie. Like, if you want somewhere like the place I just showed you in Clifton, it's like 10k a month. What happens if someone is having a few bad months and skips rent? Do they get dashed? Maybe, I don't know. I don't know. Bro, but honestly, like, it's not like crazy cheap. Like, it's not like Bali cheap for like apartments. But I think from what I've heard, like, I think the cost of living is very cheap, so it like makes up for it. What do you South Africans think? Is that true? We got a bit of time, right? Let's go through some apartments. Why not? I've been looking at some crazy ones, to be honest. Like, this shit looks so cool. It's only like 2k. Or like you can get, bro, places like this. Like, bro, this with this view in the UK, you're talking like at least 10k a month minimum. That's actually a clean property. Only 2k a month as well. Oh, this one's got a shit view. But they're all huge, chat. Like, they're all way bigger than UK apartments. Like, bro, UK apartments are always super small. This is like 131 meters squared, bro. That's like... How much is 131 meters squared? It's like 1,000 square foot, way more. That's crazy. For that price, it's not bad. The other option, chat, I can't lie. I might do a little, I don't know, become like a countryside guy. Just go get a crazy house in the mountains somewhere with a pool and a nice view, nowhere near civilization, and just like get a, what's it called? Starlink. And then you're chilling, eh? Elon Musk it. Yeah, 30-minute flipped here. This is, oh sorry, the 1 hour flipped here. This is interesting. South Africans use the same metric system as ours, meters, kilometers, kilograms. Yeah, that's a good point. I think they probably do. I don't know. Chat, there's a lot of potential here, especially as you're pushing up on this 30-minute. I want us to escape this barcode, right? This is obviously not very nice price action just now, but the 1 hour has flipped. You've grabbed a lot of liquidity. If you can continue up here towards the top of the range, you should be good to take some buys, which again is going to be very, very decent, especially if we close above. Realistically, you could take the buys above 26.29.8 to continue up to the top of the range. Remember also we have got the 4 hour close as well in like 20 minutes time, so you need to be a little bit aware of that. Obviously you don't want to be taking positions too late into the 4 hour close, but yeah, we'll obviously watch and see exactly how that happens. I do believe the 4 hour should be good if you can close above 26.29.3. Again, that's the same level as on the 1 hour. It's actually a little bit lower, but yeah, if you can close above there, then you could potentially take some buys to continue up. Otherwise, if you do close in this range, you've got a wick fill potential, right? But again, yeah, we'll wait and see here. Drive on the right side? Oh, that's so shit. Why do you drive on the right side, bro? Alright, cool. 5 minute closing here. Again, this is our level on the 5 minute. This 26.29.4 level. I guess that's the 4 hour level, right? I mean, that is the 4 hour level, not I guess. But that's what's sort of holding us back here. So if you could break through there right now, that wouldn't be a bad thing. Again, you just want to see a continuation up here. I have a question for you South Africans, right? How cheap is it to like either buy or lease a car out there? Because I want to get like a nice car, like a Range Rover or a fucking Jeep Wrangler or some shit like that, right? Is it easy to do? Do I have to be a citizen? What's the play behind that? My man decided he'll move. Nah, if I do, bro. If I do. How much is he? Euros? Definitely no euros, bro. I fucking hate euros. What's your motivation on that? I don't know if I actually am going to go there, bro. I'm just checking stuff out at the minute, and like I want to know all the information on every place before we go. And obviously there's loads of people from South Africa in this community, which is a good thing. Firstly, we could do sick meetups there, but secondly, rather than having to Google shit, I can just ask you guys. Which makes a lot of sense. And the motivation for moving is because I'm looking outside right now and it's wet, grey, and raining, right? And I can do this job from anywhere in the world, so why the fuck would I not be somewhere where it's sunny and green and nice? Come to Turkey? Maybe. Maybe. But yeah, listen, like, there's no point me staying here, bro. Like, as well as that too, I'm here in the UK, and it's costing me a fortune just to like, I don't know, pay my expenses, etc. Like, I think I'm spending like, I don't want to say a number, but way into the mid 4 figures right a month, like way past that. So like, for the same price, and that's fine. Like, I'm living way below my means, right? But for the if I spend the exact same in a country like Bali, South Africa, or whatever, you'd live like a king, right? You spent like 5 grand a month. You wouldn't even need to, but if you spent 5 grand a month in Bali, bro, you just live like a fucking prince. So, yeah, I don't see why not. SG gonna become the next Greg Secker. Bro, that guy. My mum sent me a text the other day, randomly out the blue. And she was like, is this guy a good trader? And it was Greg Secker, bro. I was like, no. She was like, oh, but he seems very professional. It seems legit. I was like, bro. I didn't say bro because it's my mum. I was like, yeah, no, definitely not. Hi, I'm Greg Secker. I'm just here on my boat out in the... Like, bro, shut up, man. I hate that guy so much. He's on... Bro, I cannot watch a YouTube video. I cannot watch a single YouTube video without this guy coming up. Every single... I guarantee if I click on a fucking YouTube video right now, there's a higher potential it's him. Especially a trading video. I don't have any trading videos on my thing. Wait. I don't know. But yeah, I guarantee it'd come up. I'd get a cleaner and a cook law with that monthly expense. I know, bro. That's what I'm saying. That's what I'm saying. Bro, I looked at... Bro, I looked at, like, you know, those cost of living calculators or whatever. It said, like, for the same salary as 10k in London, you can live off 2k in Cape Town and Bali. Like, bro. Anyway, chat, listen, you got a 15-minute closure coming up here, so focus back up a little bit. You are pushing up. You do have some sort of good market structure here, which is great. But again, you got the 4-hour close very, very shortly. I want to see what we do here. 15 closing bullish is good, though. Especially if you can close outside of this choppiness, which we've been struggling to do for a long time. Well, the guy I worked at in Barclays Bank, and we laugh at retail. Yeah, bro. Made 650 billion watching Wimbledon. I know, bro. This guy's like, yes, I just went for a swim. I came back and my AI trading bot made me £35,000. Okay, G. Sure it did, big man. And he trades on, it's always on, what is it? Some weird AI platform, and then DX trade or something. Such bullshit, bro. Alright, so 15 closed above. You closed somewhat no top wick, but you are grabbing a bottom wick now. Which is you know, relatively good. If you can close above, like we said, 26.29.9, you could take some buys to continue to the top of the range, right? Let me put a small level in here just to illustrate that. Yeah, you do technically have some room up after that area. But, yeah. Again, it's a waiting game right now, chat. Literally a waiting game. Gotta stay patient here. Otherwise, if you end up taking a position and you're accidentally out of resistance, yeah. That's one of the reasons I have YouTube Premium. Yeah, that makes sense, bro. But yeah, okay. So you are actually pushing though. You got some good, well, a little bit of more volume coming in. And you've got some good market structure as well. What type of car are you thinking of renting and how long? Bro, I want some sort of type of 4x4. Like, realistically, I want like a Defender. I don't know how long. Maybe like a 6 months, year, something like that. If I move, right? Can't get YouTube Premium or any of that. They don't offer it for people where I'm from. Wait, what? I didn't know it was location based. 90 or 110. I don't know what that is. Whichever. 90, I guess. 1 minute left for entry, then ad come up. Yo, I just made X amount without trading, bro, yeah. A 90 is 3-door. What? That's crazy. 110 then, yeah. 110. I know the Defenders, I just didn't know what the difference was. Are you looking for sells? No, I'm looking for buys, potentially. But we need to break out this range. What's good? 0, cool. Yeah. I want to see a closure outside the range. Basically, any closure above 26.30 is good. 130? Fuck. Isn't the 130 the bad boy one? Or is that super long? Is that like a... Bro, that's crazy. That's a bad boy car, bro. I don't know what you guys are talking about, chat. You have a good eye for finding the reversal points. Thank you, bro. Get the 110 with a V6. Yeah, that'd be crazy. Or even like, I guess even like just a Range Rover Sport, right? They're still cold as well. One or the other, bro. Maybe an SVR. Nah, not an SVR. that's crazy. Yeah, chat. Listen, 10 minutes into the 4-hour close, you've got to get out of this range, man. You need to push outside this range. If you can close above 26.29.9, you should be clean here. But as you can see, we're just barcoding right now. Like, it's just essentially trapped in a range, which means obviously you don't want to be taking trades. You can get plenty of Range Rover Sports in South Africa. They're all stolen from the UK. Yeah, trust me. Trust me. Yeah, man. This range is very, very tough, chat. I'm not gonna lie. It's a very tough range. At this point, like you essentially can't do anything, right? It's just a barcode. It's just a pure barcode. You need to wait for a breakout. Otherwise, you're going to get caught in this range. And once you get caught in a range like this, it's just not good. You know, you can't get out of your trade. You most likely get stopped out once it breaks out because it never breaks out in the right direction. SVR is 700-800 a day. Yeah, that's... Bro. That's fucking expensive. What do you mean? I could get that in the UK. That's why I'm not trying to rent it, right? I'm trying to lease it. Because I don't want to pay, like, a car rental price. Because, yeah, if you're renting it daily, then it's expensive as fuck, right? But if you're going to rent, like, lease a car or even buy one, right? I just wondered if they were cheaper, but I don't know. I'm out of BE with partials at 10 pips. Good stuff, KB. Hey, Max, what's good, bro? Chat, you're pushing up a little bit here. Again, once we do get that closure above, we should be chilling. But chat, can we get to 75 likes on today's stream, man? I appreciate you guys very, very much for pulling up. Remember, we do stream New York session as well, right? So I'll be streaming again in 3 hours' time. Obviously, if we don't, well, either way, if we grab something now or if we don't, I'll be streaming in 3 hours' time. So make sure you subscribe and also hit the notification button so you don't miss the streams, because we are currently not getting pushed, right? So you guys are not going to see the content unless you have the notification button clicked. So make sure you do that, the little bell down in the corner. But yeah, right now we're just waiting for the perfect setup, waiting for our entries to form. And yeah, if they can do that, then great. 4.5k subs is approaching. I know, bro, we're pretty close. Yeah, we're pretty close. That soon it's going to be 10k, 20k. You do deserve 1,000 likes. Hey, I appreciate that, brother. Means a lot. Yeah, look at this, chat. Every time you try and push up, you just get pushed back into the range. You got 7 minutes to the 4-hour close. Let's see what we do. SG Top Gear. Bro, that'd be so jokes. That'd be so jokes. Start doing some next like car program just randomly. What's your average risk to reward? Like 0.5 to 1. So like somewhere between 0.5 to 1. You're watching you on Deja Vu. Bro, that is such a throwback. Deja Vu. I used to love that shit. What a name for a channel as well, rather than the +1. That is such a good name. I don't know. Whoever came up with that, the fucking genius. I used to love watching a bit of Top Gear on Deja Vu. You know what's mad? If you missed it on like the regular channel, you had to wait like 30 minutes or whatever for the hour to reset so you could watch it on the +1. Bro. Check out Hertz Rental. Yeah, I will do, bro. I'll take a look at some point. Thank you, bro. I just didn't really want to pay like a rental company price, you know, because then it's like daily, so expensive. That price action is why Naps was created. Yeah, trust me. Trust me. But nah, there should be a lot of potential here, I can't lie. Hanging out my house after an all-night rave. Could rely on a bit of Deja Vu to get me through. Bro, a bit of Top Gear. I tell you what, man. All those Top Gear specials. It's elite TV. That was like peak TV. But yeah, chat, you're stuck in a 16 pip range right now. Not even, yeah, 16 pips. You're ranging up and down in between. Again, 5 minutes to this 4-hour close here. You want to essentially see... You want to see a breakout, right? I keep saying this, but there's nothing you can do until you do have that. Have you watched the Grand Tour specials at all? Yeah, I have, bro. They're pretty good. I haven't watched the most recent one. I watched a few of them. I haven't watched the final one. No, is it good? I was just thinking about that. I might actually have to watch it later. If I get some time. Latest Grand Tour is different gravy, bro. Oh, really? That's sick. Emotional. Is it? I thought so. Price action's chalked. It is a little bit chalked, I can't lie. Chat, realistically, if we close like this within the 4-hour, we'll probably call it a day, right? If we close like this. If you break out last minute, have an insane spike of volume, leave a top wick, reflip, continue up, then we'll be good. But until then, yeah, the new Top Gear is so bad. Never said, bro. Yeah, I know. The first one with like Chris Evans in it was so bad, bro. Later, bro. Gym time. All right, man. All right, Jay. In a bit. Yeah, I'll probably hit the. Will I go to the gym after stream? No, I'll probably go after New York. Yeah, I'll probably go after New York. UC fucked themselves, bro. They actually did. Yeah, you're right. Alright, chat, I feel like we're gonna range here. Yeah. No way, chat. Look at this. Someone has deposited to your financial account 2,658,000 USD. USDT, no way. I'm rich, chat. I'm rich. Lucky guy, I know, trust me. All I have to do is pay the Handsome fee of 10k to unlock it. W. It's a good investment to me. Click the link immediately. Yeah, ASAP. Okay, chat, pushing up. Look at this liquidity that you're grabbing. Like, you can tell price wants to push up. It just doesn't have the volume to do it. I get them all the time. It's annoying. Yeah, I'm sure they're not going to go, like, you know, go into my wallet or anything. Into my MetaMask. I'm pretty sure. I click the link. It's not it's definitely not like a Trojan or anything. Bro, what the fuck is my luck? I went to pirate a movie and I won an iPhone. This is a great day. Yeah, insane. That reminds me, you still need to collect that 2 million Ugandan dollars. Yeah, what's that, bro? Like 10 quid though? Yeah, chat, look. Look at this barcode, man. You go up, down, up, down, up. And you close in the range still, chat. So this is literally untradeable, by the way. If you're trying to trade this, chat, just don't. Honestly, just wait until you get some form of a breakout, some form of direction. You cannot trade this at the minute. It's literally not tradable. Even on the 5 minute, it's horrible, bro. What you want to do here is just essentially wait for, like, well, again, either a closure above 26.29 or 26.31 or below 26.25. Until then, you can't take anything. Just literally, if I was you, right, on my charts, I just have something like this. You know, just grey it out, and then this would be your no trade zone, right? Whilst you're in this zone, there's no trades. And obviously, when you close outside of it, sure, take your trades, but yeah. Might as well sell the top of the 1 minute and buy the bottom on the 1 minute. Yeah, trust me. Thing is, the moment you try and do that, that's the one where it breaks out, like always. Alright, chat, but listen, I'm going to call it here, right? You're closing in the range. It's not ideal, chat. It's not ideal. It's not even possible for you to get a position right now. So, chat, let's play the pixel. If you are going to dip off right now, remember, I'll be streaming for New York session in about 3 hours time, so make sure you got your subscription to the channel, as in subscribe. Obviously, it's free. And then, yeah, make sure you click the notification button as well so you don't miss the New York streams. Also, final thing, just make sure you join that Discord, man. Join the free Discord. I know I'm plugging everything, but they're all free plugs. And yeah, join the Discord. And that's it, bro. But yeah, chat, we'll play the pixel letters. If you are going to leave, make sure you drop a like on the way out, and that's going to be it. That's going to be it. Yo. Love you all. See you on NY. Yeah, I appreciate you, bro. Yeah, much love. See you on NY. Free value. Yeah, Max. Always free value. Always, always, always. What is this one? Am I stupid or what? Oh, poker. Good morning, got here late. See you in NY. Yeah, alright, bro. See you in NY. Yeah, there's nothing we can do here anyway. Look at this. It's horrible, chat. Absolutely horrible. Yeah, poker. Indeed. Good shit. Alright. Okay, so second letter is like a K maybe, or a R, I guess. I reckon the first letter is an A. I don't know, actually. What are we looking at here, chat? Cruel? That's a good guess, bro. Yeah, good shit, Noose. That's a W, bro. Good guess. Oh, shit. Beans actually pulled through for once, man. I'm going to be so good at typing the word beans now in future. It's going to be like a muscle memory. Yeah, W, Matt. Good stuff. Blunt, indeed. Well, chat, that's it from me. Listen, W stream right now. That was a clean... I mean, it was just a good conversational stream, right? Price literally did nothing. I don't think we even moved the whole time we started stream. We started streaming, price was at 26.28. We finished, it was at 26.29. So barely even moved, man. But listen, thank you guys for pulling up. I appreciate every single one of you. You guys are killing it recently. All your trading is like I see everyone improving every single day, which is really good to see, right? Really good to see. But yeah, listen, I'll be back for New York. If you're trading the rest of the session, make sure you trade in a disciplined way. Make sure you stick to your plan, all that good stuff. Just be careful in this range, man. It's a little bit choppy. So if it's me, and especially in the signals group, I'm going to be trading only after we get outside of these ranges. So I advise you guys do the same. Obviously, if you have a different setup or strategy, maybe don't do it. But for me, until we get out of this chop, there's going to be nothing here. But other than that, chat, thank you for pulling up to the stream. You guys are killing it recently. Have a great rest of your mid-morning, and I'll see you in New York very shortly. Peace out.